Apple is ready to play in the budget series smartphone. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing good. iPhone SE 3 is confirmed and this will be very competitive in the budget lineup and probably the fastest budget smartphone that you guys could ever get in the market. But why Apple is doing this to SE 3? A news from China suggesting a quick production of the iPhone SE 3 2022. The Apple is planning its spring event 2022 in March and the date is out, which is 8th of March 2022. So this time, Apple is ready to launch iPhone SE 3 along with two other devices. iPad Air 10.9 inches with A15 Bionic chip and 13 inches MacBook Pro M2. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below iPhone SE 3 or iPhone 13, which one you prefer. Why iPhone SE 3 2022 will be a better deal than the iPhone 13? Well, if you are on budget, then surely this will be a better option for you because according to the leaks, the iPhone SE 3 will cost around $399 having a latest chipset A15 Bionic chip, but you need to compromise on few things. First, it has a very small display, 4.7 inches LCD display just like its predecessor. The iPhone SE 3 will look like the iPhone 8 and Apple is not going to change the design this time. And according to some sources, Apple may change the design for the next generation of iPhone SE, probably in 2023. Second, it will only have a Touch ID, not a Face ID. Only one lens on the back powering 12MP and 7MP selfie camera. All the leaks regarding SE 3 confirming little changes, which only include inside processor change, nothing else. Even Apple is sticking with same 1821 mAh battery in SE 3 just like the SE 2. So this time no design change and no extra camera all along, but Apple reduced the price to justify its budget iPhone SE 3 5G. Yes, it will power the 5G connectivity. If you're on budget, just wait for a few days and buy the iPhone SE 3 2022 and you won't regret this. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below iPhone SE 3 or iPhone 13, which one you prefer. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out!